I think a wonderful example of this comes from whenever I use my petrol chainsaw, which both terrifies me and excites me simultaneously. And isn't that interesting? That you can experience two extreme emotions at once, even though it messes with the logical left brain need for linear order and understanding. Perhaps that's what excitement is. Fear and desire mixed together, and just being set free to see whatever happens from their mashing together of sensibleness and desirable recklessness, which I think is normally the recipe for fun, which I think is often missing from many people's lives. But if I remember back to my anxiety years, I would never have owned a chainsaw, as I would have thought that's far too dangerous. But thankfully these days I'm not scared of danger. I think it's actually very exciting to use a chainsaw, especially if you can use it safely and wisely. And whenever I use my chainsaw, it always makes me smile, because interesting things seem to happen, right? And I think firstly, because I'm so small, I'm always shocked by how heavy it is, and it normally crosses my mind if I'll be strong enough to use it safely for long periods of time. However, whenever I use it, I can operate it for 2 or 3 hours, and I get lots and lots of work done relatively easily. Now, could it be that the machine creates a localized energy field via its screaming engine, with all that rotation, with all that friction, with all that combustion, with all that heat that energizes the atom within my body, right, thus energizing me? Could all the energy in that quantum fluctuation switch the electrons in my atoms from their inner grounded state to their outer excited state, thus imbuing me with the strength I need to do all that work, okay? And to even afterwards leaving me feeling vibrant and alive and full of energy for many, many hours. Now, I don't know that's true, it's just a thought, but as an engineer and somebody who understands physics pretty well, to my left brain, right brain combination, that makes a lot of sense. And not only does it make a lot of sense, I feel it to be true. I experience it every time. It's like when sportsmen say, oh, the energy of the crowd, the noise and the clapping, it gave me the edge I needed, the energy I needed to break that world record. These people don't break records when there's nobody else in the stadium. It's the moment of everything that brings people alive. It's like if you go to a football match, that's what it feels like. Now, the second thing I notice is, because it's so dangerous, my awareness becomes solely focused on the task. I'm just laser focused and only thinking about that thing.